Hello, everyone. Welcome to Vible, a community dedicated to improving our lives. Stanford University conducted a study in the United States, revealing that around 75% of students expressed the desire to control their screen time and create a balance in their lives. Shockingly, the average age of a first-time smartphone user is now 10 years old, highlighting the increasing influence of technology on younger generations. The impact on our brains is substantial, and the focus on managing this digital dependency is crucial. In the early 80s, only 7% of young people had access to a phone. Fast forward to today, where smartphones have become an integral part of our lives and education. However, the excessive use of smartphones and social media can lead to feelings of depression and demotivation. In this video, we'll explore steps to regain control and find a healthier balance. Step 1. Let's start by making your phone more secure. Instead of using a simple password, mix things up. Use numbers and symbols to create a cool and safe password. This makes it a bit tricky to unlock your phone quickly. By doing this, you're putting a small speed bump in the way, helping you think twice before using your phone all the time. Step 2. Now, let's reduce those distractions. Go into your phone settings and turn off notifications for apps you don't need buzzing all the time. Also, pick calm colors for your app icons instead of bright ones. Why? Because bright colors catch your eye and make you want to check your phone more. By toning down notifications and colors, you're making your phone less grabby for your attention. Step 3. Time to add a personal touch to your phone. Change your wallpaper to something you love. It could be a pic of your pet, a favorite hobby, or anything that makes you happy. This way, every time you unlock your phone, you'll see something positive. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how you feel when using your phone. Step 4. Now let's swap some screen time for real-life fun. Instead of always reaching for your phone, try doing things you love. Whether it's drawing, playing sports, or any hobby you enjoy. By focusing on your hobbies, you'll find joy outside the digital world. It's a cool way to take a break from your phone and bring more excitement to your day. Step 5. Time for a cool switch. Think about replacing some phone time with different stuff. Maybe learn a new skill or work on a creative project. It could be anything you find interesting. This way, you get to explore new things and break the phone routine. You'll be surprised how much fun and satisfaction you can get from doing other cool activities. All right, let's bring it all together. To break free from phone addiction, Step 1. Start by making your phone more secure with a unique password. Step 2. Minimize distractions by turning off unnecessary notifications and choosing calm colors for your app icons. Step 3. Personalize your phone's wallpaper with something that brings you joy. Step 4. Swap screen time for real-life fun by indulging in hobbies you love. Step 5. Consider exploring new activities to replace some phone time. These simple steps can make a big difference in how you use your phone. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.